Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of smart home sensors, the unsung heroes that make our homes safer, more efficient, and incredibly convenient. Buckle up as we unveil our top 10 amazing smart home sensors that you'll definitely want to add to your tech arsenal. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Acura door and window sensor. This nifty gadget ensures you're always in the know when a door or window is open. Perfect for boosting your home security and enhancing energy efficiency, it's a must-have for any smart home setup. Say goodbye to wondering if you left a window open. Sliding into number 9, we have the Philips Hue Motion Sensor. Ideal for security systems and smart lighting, this sensor detects movement, triggering alarms or lights as needed. Whether you're looking to deter intruders or simply want your lights to greet you as you walk into a room, the Philips Hue Motion Sensor has got you covered. At number 8, we present the ecobee Smart Sensor. It works hand in hand with your ecobee thermostat to monitor temperatures across different rooms, ensuring every corner of your home is just the right temperature. Not only does this keep you comfy, but it also helps save on energy bills. Lucky number 7 is the Nanit Plus Smart Baby Monitor. This isn't your average baby monitor, it goes above and beyond by tracking your baby's breathing and movements. With features like these, parents can rest easy knowing their little one is safe and sound. Coming in at number 6 is the Flow by Moan Smart Water Detector. Place this sensor near potential leak sources like under sinks or beside your washing machine. It will alert you at the first sign of trouble, helping you prevent expensive water damage before it starts. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the Whistle Geo Explore Pet Activity Tracker. For all the pet lovers out there, this sensor is a game changer. It monitors your furry friend's movements and activity levels, ensuring they're safe and active even when you're not home. At number 4, we spotlight the Chamberlain Mic Smart Garage Door Sensor. Ever worry about whether you left the garage door open? This sensor will alert you if it's left ajar and even allows you to close it remotely. Say hello to enhanced security and peace of mind. Taking the third spot is the Aware Element Air Quality Monitor. In today's world, keeping tabs on your indoor air quality is crucial. This sensor detects pollutants and allergens, helping you maintain a healthier home environment for you and your family. At number 2, we have the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. This sensor is a security and convenience powerhouse. It lets you see and speak to visitors at your door from anywhere, ensuring you never miss a package or visitor again. And finally, the crown jewel at number 1 is the Lutron Caseta Wireless Smart Lighting Dimmer Switch and Sensor. This sensor adjusts your home's lighting based on the time of day and ambient light levels, creating the perfect atmosphere while saving energy. It's the ultimate in smart home elegance and efficiency. Thank you for watching till the end. Which one is most valuable to you? Please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for joining us on this tech journey.